Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with a clean dataset and explicit bins. First, remove blanks and non-numeric cells so Excel reads only valid numbers. Then create a column of bin upper limits that represent the ranges you want, uniform, or custom. If you prefer the analysis tool pack, enable it now through add-ins. Otherwise, plan to use the frequency function or a pivot table histogram. Once done, select both the data and the bin list to prepare for the next calculation step. Now calculate bin counts. If you use frequency, select an output range with one extra cell, type equals frequency, data range, bin range, and confirm with Ctrl+Shift+Enter so Excel returns counts for each bin and an overflow. Alternatively, create a pivot table, drag the numeric field to rows, then right-click and group to set bin intervals. That gives flexible grouping. If you enabled Analysis Tool Pack, run Data Analysis Histogram, pick input and bin ranges, and request a chart output so you get both. Finally, turn frequencies into a clear histogram. Select the bin labels and counts, go to Insert and choose either a column chart or the built-in histogram chart if available. Make sure the horizontal axis uses your bin boundaries or set a precise bin width in Format Axis. Set gap width to 0 for contiguous bars and add labels and a title for clarity. If the bars look off, recheck bin definitions, confirm the frequency output range size, or ungroup and regroup a pivot table to correct grouping errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.